Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up integrations in HubSpot Operations Hub. If you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and features available to you. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look up at the top of the screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu and it's where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings area. Now look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. From this menu, click on integrations. This section is specifically designed to help you connect HubSpot with other apps and services you use in your workflow. Once you're in the integration section, you'll notice several options listed underneath it. Look for connected apps and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the apps that are currently integrated with your HubSpot account, as well as add new ones. Now that you're in the connected apps area, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Add More Connections. Click on this button to start the process of integrating a new app with HubSpot. This opens up the integration marketplace where you can browse and connect various third-party applications. At this point, you'll see a search bar appear on the screen. This is where you can search for the specific app you want to integrate. For example, if you want to connect Google Workspace, type Google Workspace into the search bar. The search will filter the available apps and show you relevant options. After searching, you'll see a list of apps that match your search. Click on the app you want to integrate. For this example, let's say you want to integrate Google Calendar. Find Google Calendar in the list and click on it to proceed. Once you click on the app, you'll be taken to its integration page. Here, you'll see an install button. Click on Install to begin the installation process. This tells HubSpot that you want to add this app to your connected services. Next, you'll see an option that says Google. Click on it, and then you'll see another button that says Connect Your Calendar. Click on Connect Your Calendar to move forward with linking your Google account to HubSpot. After that, a new prompt will appear asking you to accept and connect to Google. Click on Accept and Connect to Google. This gives HubSpot permission to access your Google Calendar and sync data between the two platforms. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a Google account. Choose the Google account you want to integrate with HubSpot. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one you use for your business or the one you want synced with HubSpot. After selecting your account, click on Continue. This confirms your account selection and takes you to the next step in the integration process. Now you'll see a list of permissions and options. Look for the checkbox that says Select All and check it. This ensures that all necessary permissions are granted for the integration to work properly. Once you've checked the Select All box, click Continue. At this stage, you'll need to wait for a moment while HubSpot processes the integration and connects your Google Calendar. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while the system completes the setup. And that's it. Your integration is now complete and your Google Calendar is successfully connected to HubSpot Operations Hub. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.